Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in a Christmas cookie collaboration hosted by my friends Mitch and Philip of the Mitch and Philip Show, and I'll leave a link to their channel in the description below. It's called Christmas Cookie Extravaganza 2022. For this collaboration, I'm making my Christmas spice cookies. This is a recipe handed down to me by my mom. I think she had me cooking and baking at the age of about 4 or 5. These spice cookies are a favorite in my household. I make them every year. They're crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. We're going to start off by creaming together 1 cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of sugar. Next, we're going to add 1 egg and 4 tablespoons of molasses. The molasses is key here. It's really going to pack a punch to these cookies, along with the spices we'll add in just a second. Your mixture might look a little curdled or broken right now. That's okay, because as soon as we add our flour, everything will be fine. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to put in 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and this little spice bomb is a combination of cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. That, with the molasses, is really what's going to make these cookies pack a punch. I wanted to show you this dough. It's a really sticky dough, and it's not something that you can form or shape with your fingers. And I'm using my very small cookie scoop. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our dough and we're going to put it in granulated sugar. I'm just going to move it around like that. And we're going to place it on a cookie sheet. And these should be placed about 2 inches apart because they're going to spread out. This is a thin cookie. I think I mentioned that. It's a thin cookie and it's going to spread out. It's going to be chewy in the middle, crunchy on the outside, really delicious. So you get your cookies or your cookie dough all lined out onto the sheet. We're gonna bake them at about 325. My recipe calls 10 to 15 minutes. I think I remember cooking them for 14, but we'll start with 12, I think, and go from there. Here we are out of the oven. Now, they're not gonna win a beauty contest by any means, but what they lack for in beauty, they definitely make up in flavor. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to slide them off the cookie sheet, and I'm going to let them cool on the counter like this, and then we're going to add a little bit of a drizzle. All right, so now they're completely cooled, and I'm going to apply a little bit of drizzle just to one side. I have these nonpareils, and I'm going to sprinkle them over where the drizzle is, just to make it look a little festive. Now that our spice cookies have our drizzle and the nonpareils, I can start putting them on a plate, like that. And there you have your Christmas spice cookie, dressed up a little bit. Let me taste it. Crunchy on the outside, chewy in the middle, just like they should be. Oh, and that flavor. The molasses and the spices, like I said. Oh, what a flavor bomb this is. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone, for this collaboration, Christmas Cookie Extravaganza 2022. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Happy holidays, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.